Winter's here, the air's icy, your fingers are freezing, and even holding your phone feels like torture. But what if you could carry instant warmth right in your pocket? Today we're checking out the best hand warmers of 2025. Powerful, portable gadgets that heat up in seconds and keep your hands toasty for hours. Whether you're commuting, camping, or just tired of cold fingers at your desk, these hand warmers are total game changers. So before your hands turn into icicles this winter, let's find out which one deserves a spot in your pocket. The ICARER hand warmers are the definition of instant comfort. With dual-sided heating and 3 temperature settings, these little devices heat up in seconds. Perfect when you step outside and feel that biting chill hit your fingers. Each warmer packs a 2,500 milliamp battery, giving you up to 8 hours of heat on one charge, ideal for long commutes, hiking, or outdoor sports. What makes them stand out is the eco-friendly, reusable design, saving you money and reducing waste from disposable warmers. OCOOPA takes things up a notch with its magnetic 2-in-1 design, letting you snap the 2 warmers together for dual-sided heat or use one in each hand. They heat up in just 5 seconds and can reach up to 126 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you quick comfort in the coldest conditions. Each piece is super slim, lightweight, and easy to slip into gloves or pockets. The magnetic connection makes storage simple, while the UL-certified chip ensures safe, reliable performance every time. If you value portability above all, these pocket-sized hand warmers are hard to beat. They're incredibly small, at just 0.4 inches thick and 2 ounces each, yet they pump out up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit of heat for 8 hours straight. The 3 adjustable temperature settings let you fine-tune comfort, while the safe temperature control chip keeps everything steady and risk-free. With a modern, minimalist look and a hand strap for easy carrying, they're ideal for commutes, sports events, or slipping inside gloves during outdoor work. Now, if you're someone who spends full days in the cold, whether you're hiking, skiing, or working outdoors, the NEKKA hand warmers are built for endurance. These come with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery per warmer and a 10,000 milliamp hour charging case, giving you a staggering 24 to 60 hours of total warmth. That's basically a weekend of heat on one charge. They use an AI temperature control chip that intelligently adjusts and maintains precise warmth levels, preventing overheating while keeping your hands perfectly toasty. The knifed hand warmers are all about comfort, safety, and practicality. With a dual-sided design, you can share warmth with someone or keep both hands cozy at once. They heat up fast, offer 3 adjustable heat settings, and feature a long-lasting UL-certified battery that performs beautifully even after months of use. The ergonomic design fits perfectly in your palm with smooth edges and easy-to-use controls. It's durable, user-friendly, and comes in a gift-worthy package.